Welcome back to WCDC Art. Follow along to see how we made these cute cactus rocks, the perfect pet for quarantine. To make them, you'll need rocks, mini terracotta pots, paintbrushes, a paint palette, and green and white paint. You'll also need tacky glue, googly eyes, and mini pom-poms. So our first step is to paint our rock with green paint. You can either use green straight from the bottle or mix yellow and blue paint together. We want to make sure that we get a nice even coat over the entire rock, so you can let the first coat dry and then come back and finish up, or even do a second coat. For our second step, we're going to take our white paint and the bottom of our paintbrush, and we're going to add little dots going down our cactus rock. So I'm placing the first column of my white dots kind of off center with a slight curve just to kind of follow the rock. And then I'm going to try to mirror that line with another line of dots and then fill in the sides of the rocks. While the dots of our cactus dry, we can start to decorate our mini terracotta pot. So you can pick whatever color you want and add whatever design you feel like adding. I'm just going to add maybe some teal stripes to the lip of my pot. And now to give our cactus some personality, I'm going to take my tacky glue and add 2 little dots of glue towards the top center of my rock. And then I'm going to adhere my googly eyes. And to try to mimic a cactus flower, I'm going to add a pink pom-pom to the top of the rock. You can fill the little terracotta pot with either pebbles or paper to help your cactus stand up. These are also a perfect and easy craft to put a smile on your friend's face. Thanks for crafting with WCDC Art.